Good morning everyone สวัสดีค่ะสวัสดีค่ะทุก I'm so sorry okay this is the first time I have been to Thailand. I'm really surprised that everyone I communicate with know a little Vietnamese. Sam know a lot of Vietnamese they communicate well and they smile very friendly. I really like it, and I have been in Thailand for 4 days, and tomorrow will be 5 days, and then I will return to Ho Chi Minh City to control doing my current job, and I hope in the coming year I can go to Thailand many more time and really like this country. I know Miss Universe Thailand 2020